Hey there. Welcome back to CEO Mindset Mastery, your go-to space for daily motivation, real talk, and real results. Today's message is a powerful one. Never let a job steal your life. I want you to let that sink in, because too many of us are trading away time we'll never get back for a job that would replace us by Monday morning. Let me share a story with you. I remember a time when I was juggling 2 jobs, barely sleeping, just trying to make ends meet. I gave my all to those jobs, showed up early, stayed late, skipped meals, skipped birthdays, even missed a funeral. But one day I got sick, really sick. I took 2 days off, just 2. And when I returned, I found someone sitting at my desk. Same computer, same tasks, same chair. It hit me like a ton of bricks. I am 100% replaceable at work. But you know where I wasn't replaceable? At home. My child still needed my hugs. My partner still needed my smile. My family still needed my presence, not just my paycheck. That was the moment I made a decision. I wasn't going to let a job steal my life anymore, because you and I, we're not born to just work, pay bills, and die. You were born to create, to inspire, to build, and to live. It's time to reclaim your time, protect your peace, and pursue your purpose. If you're ready to conquer your goals and stay unstoppable, hit that like button. Drop a comment below telling me what you're not willing to sacrifice anymore. Subscribe and smash that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs this reminder today. Want to stay motivated every single day? Follow me on TikTok, check out my blog, and follow my journey on Instagram. All links are in the description below. Want to start your day with a boost of inspiration? Visit my Sip and Smile mug store, where every mug is made to lift your mindset while you sip your coffee or tea with purpose. Are you a content creator or small business owner looking to multiply your content without burnout? Use Repurpose.io, the exact tool I use to schedule, repost, and grow across platforms. Affiliate link is down below. It's a game changer. And hey, if you're a student, busy professional, or anyone who needs help with writing tasks, listen up. At CEO Mindset Mastery, we help with homework essays projects, research assistance brainstorming, and more. Whether you're in school or just need support on a writing project, we've got your back. Just send me a DM on Instagram with the details of your assignment or writing task, and we'll take it from there. Or if you prefer, join my WhatsApp channel. It's where I drop quick tips, mindset boosters, and special offers weekly. Links also in the description. So I leave you with this. Don't give your job the parts of you that your family, your purpose, your dreams deserve. You were not born to be a slave to a schedule that drains your soul. You are irreplaceable at home. You are worthy of rest. You are worthy of love. You are worthy of a life you don't need a vacation from. And you are not alone. You know, I once met a woman named Carla. She worked at a corporate job for 18 years. Loyal. Never missed a day. She trained new employees, stayed overtime, skipped vacations. One day, she got a call that her mother had fallen ill. She asked for 2 weeks off. Her manager said, "We'll see what we can do." She took the time anyway. When she returned, they had replaced her. Just like that. She told me, "I gave them 18 years and all I got was a thank you email and a replacement." That conversation changed me, because what Carla realized, and what I want you to realize, is this. A job will post your position before your obituary. But your kids, your spouse, your parents, they can't post a listing to replace you. You are irreplaceable where it truly matters. Every morning you wake up is a chance to rewrite your story. A new chance to invest in your dreams, not just your deadlines. A reminder that success isn't just about titles or paychecks. It's about peace, purpose, and presence. As Les Brown once said, "Don't confuse your job with your work. Your job is what they pay you to do. Your work is what you were born to do. So ask yourself, are you just existing, or are you living? Are you working to survive, or are you building a life that excites you? If you're feeling stuck, burned out, or forgotten by the system, I see you. I've been there, and I'm telling you right now, you have the power to pivot. Jerome stayed late at work to fix a system crash and missed his daughter's first dance recital. That night, she gave him a drawing of the stage with an empty seat in the front row. She whispered, "Maybe next time, Daddy." The next morning, he quit his job because he realized the company could replace him, but his daughter couldn't. Reminder, you're 100% replaceable at work. You're 100% irreplaceable at home. Never forget that. You are more than your paycheck. Your job fills your bank account, but your presence fills your child's heart. See you